Hi guys, it's Drea. I have a really fun tag video for you. This was created by my friend Julie on YouTube. She is Nobody's Beauty Guru. I really love her channel. She's a really small YouTuber, but she deserves a lot more people watching what she puts out. She does a lot of project panning and that kind of thing. I will link to her, of course, in her video and her channel down below. Definitely go check her out. I think she's amazing. I've been watching her for definitely over a year now. And she recently came out with this unpopular makeup opinions tag. Now, I know I did some kind of unpopular opinions thingamabobber. I don't remember if it was a tag or just something I did. I really don't remember. I'm going to find that too, rewatch it and link it for you as well. But this is just like a completely different thing that she came up with. So I'm going to do this because first of all, I think it's going to be fun. Second of all, I think it's going to be really truth revealing. And also, like, I have to say, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be hard because I was like reading these questions going, I don't even know if I have an answer for that. But I think I've gotten an answer for almost all of them. Maybe not one. Okay, let's just jump right into it. Popular makeup product you don't like. Listen, I've done tons of disappointing products videos on this channel, so I know there's stuff that is popular that I didn't like, but I just brought up the best sellers page on Sephora to kind of like jumpstart my brain, and one of the things that really stood out to me is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. That just never worked for me. I know that was all over YouTube like 3 years ago. People loved it. It was like the most holy grail like foundation product ever, and I went out of my way to get it off of eBay because you couldn't get It Cosmetics in Canada back then. And I hated it. I hated it. I really hated it. I haven't tried it in a long time, so I might like it now. I don't know, but I really disliked it back then. Okay, this one is so hard. Popular makeup brand that everyone else seems to hate but you love. Like, I just don't think I have an answer for this. Because I think, like, you know, when I think about brands that people hate, I think about like the controversial ones, like Lime Crime or something like that, or Morphe, or like Jeffree Star. But I haven't tried anything from Lime Crime. Morphe is just like meh, and a lot of people love it, so not everybody hates it. And I've never tried a Jeffree Star product on purpose. Like, I just stay away from his brand. So I don't know, maybe like I never tried one of those controversial brands, and everything else, like, I think the brands that I love, like, everybody loves, so I don't know. Makeup collab you didn't like or were not interested in. There's been a lot. I don't know, I'm just not really that into YouTuber collabs. So like, I kind of brought up Google search here, Laura Lee, forget about it. Nikki Tutorials, never cared about any of her collabs. I'm not, like, I like Nikki. I think she's fine. She does amazing makeup, but I unsubscribed from her long ago when I just felt like I was being pushed ads on all the time. So like, in every video there was something about like an app she wanted you to buy or something. So I haven't watched her in years, and I definitely don't buy collabs of people that I don't watch. The Jaclyn Hill stuff, like, I didn't go out of my way to buy her, like her big Morphe palette, never mind all the whole vault controversy that's currently happening. I never went out of my way to buy that. So there are actually quite a few. I'm just not that into YouTuber collabs for the most part. I bought a couple here and there, but not too many. Question number 4 is popular makeup step that you never do. Like, I think I do everything. Usually. I very rarely skip a step. If anything, I would say, like, in my real life, I don't always go out of the house with something on my lips. Like, I would say at least half of the time my lips are bare, like not even lip gloss. So if I had to skip a step, that's probably it. In my videos, usually you see me with everything on my face. Question number 5 is popular beauty influencer you don't subscribe to or watch. There are so many. I've said it for so many years, like, I'm just really into the smaller channels. There's very few people that I watch that have over 500,000 subscribers. I could probably count them on one hand. So for the most part, like, that whole crew, Jeffree, I guess they're not a crew anymore, Manny, Laura Lee, I don't know, Tati, like, I don't watch any of them. I do still watch Jaclyn. She's getting a little iffy for me. Like, a little iffy, but for the most part, like, I really don't watch any of those high-level beauty people. Question number 6, popular makeup product or brand that you do not use or support anymore. A makeup trend that you have no interest in trying. Okay, so this one I actually have on one of my like ideas. to do a video on products that I have no interest in trying, like no interest in trying. It's funny because I used to say to my friend, and she used to always make fun of me way back when, like in high school, I would always say I have absolutely no desire to do that or to see that movie. I have absolutely no desire, and she always thought it was hilarious. So I want to do a video where it's like I have absolutely no desire to try these products. Yeah, so let me know if you want me to do that. As for a trend, a makeup trend that I have no interest in trying, I would say practically anything you really see on Instagram, like the Instagram, like heavy makeup. I know YouTube is borderline that. It can really get like borderline eyebrows, foundation, highlight. So I'm maybe like it's a little hypocritical, but yeah, you're not gonna see me usually with like Instagram carved out brows and that kind of stuff. And then the last question, I just don't know if I have an answer for this. Make a product that was better in theory than when you used it. So either it swatched better or worked better on others than on you. This one is tough. Like I really can't think of anything that, I don't know, that was like stands out in my mind. So I feel bad leaving on like a wah answer, but I just really can't think of anything. But I do think that this was a super fun video idea. Definitely go check out Julie's video, her answers, and to anybody who wants to do this tag, definitely do it. Make sure that you shout her out as the creator, and I will tag a few people down in the description box as well that I would really love to hear do this. I feel like it's not that unpopular, maybe, my answers. Like, there's not really anything that you probably didn't expect to hear from me. But, oh well, it is what it is. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.